Good morning, students. How are you all? Good? Okay. Today we will see the next heading. Before going to the next heading, interest on drawings, we will have a recap of this lesson. Okay? In partnership accounts, what and all we have learned about the meaning, then definition, then the partnership deed we have studied, isn't it? Then in the problems, what we have seen, the methods of preparation of capital accounts, isn't it? Two methods we have studied. One is fixed capital method. Fixed capital method. In this method, we need to prepare two accounts, isn't it? One is capital account, the other one is current account. In the capital account will be same. The balance will be same. What we will include in this capital account? The opening capital, then any additional capital, then any permanent withdrawal. Till now we have never come across any permanent withdrawal, isn't it? Only the opening capital and additional capital we will enter. In current accounts, all the other adjustments we will make, isn't it? Then any opening balance also will be there. That also we will take first. Then the salary paid to the partners, then interest on capital, interest on drawings and interest on drawings on the debit side, isn't it? Then drawings and interest on drawings, here all the other things. Okay, then share of profit, that is profit and loss appropriation account, then salary paid to the partners, commission paid to the partners. Okay, then interest on capital, all these will be entered. Okay, that one we know. Then the second one, fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method, only one account, that is called capital account. Here we will make all the adjustments in the same account. Okay, here first opening balance, since it is capital account, it will come on the credit side by balance brought down, isn't it? Then all the other adjustments, all these adjustments and these two adjustments, everything will be written here. Okay, then next we learned the calculation of interest on capital. Next heading, isn't it? Interest on capital. What is interest on capital? How we calculated? Usually we calculate the interest on capital on the opening capital. And this one simply the amount into rate of interest. Rate by 100. Very easy. But if it is on the additional capital, we must be careful. Amount, rate and the period, the number of months by 12. Okay, so from the date onwards he has introduced that capital. That only we need to calculate the number of months, then divided by 12. We will add and write. Okay, so that is interest on capital. When the opening capital and additional capital given. The next one, when the opening capital is not given. Okay, how we calculated? We calculated that statement showing the opening capital. Well, how we calculated that we have studied in the first chapter, isn't it? That one, closing capital, then add drawings, then less additional capital, then less profit. We will get opening capital. Okay, this is what the opening capital. From this again we need to calculate in this method. Opening capital is equal to amount, this one what we have calculated, okay, into rate by 100. Okay, then if there is here additional capital there, for this one again we need to calculate. Okay, now today we will see how to calculate the interest on drawings. Okay, interest on drawings. These two are very important items in partnership accounts. First one, capital, second one, drawings, because they are allowed to take drawings. We know what is drawings first. The amount withdrawn by each partner from the business, that means from his capital accounts, because they have introduced some amount as capital. From that they can withdraw some amount, that is called drawings. Okay, so this, since they have withdrawn this amount, the business will charge 1% as interest. It is an income for the business. Okay, it must be so. It is an income for the business, so it is an expense for the partners. So it will be reduced from their capital. That we know, isn't it? So when we prepare the journal entries, you will understand little more clearly. Okay. Now, how they will calculate the interest on drawings. So here, in different ways they are allowed to take interest. Okay. There are three methods to calculate interest on drawings. First method, direct method. The first method is direct method. As we calculated interest on capital, okay, that amount of drawings into rate by 100, then the period of interest, that period by 12, number of months divided by 12, same method. Okay, so that is the same method that we have seen for the interest on capital. Then product method, the next one that we will see later. Another one, average period method. Okay, this way we will calculate the interest on drawings. So how we will calculate the period from the date of withdrawal till the accounting period ends. That means the closing date of that accounting year. Okay, that way the same way that we prepared for the interest on capital. Okay, now we will see one illustration from the book. Okay, illustration 11. Velan is a partner who withdrew 20,000 on 1st April 2018. Interest on drawings is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018 and pass journal entries by assuming fluctuating capital method. This one you have to remember. Okay, fluctuating capital method. Why did I have a recap? No, just to know, to make you update what we have learned, because it will be asked everywhere. You see, fluctuating capital method that we learned first. Okay, there only one account. When we prepare the journal entries, this will be useful. Which account we should write? Either capital account or current account. For that purpose only we need this words. Okay, fluctuating capital method. Then the reverse entry we need to prepare. There which entries we prepared for interest on capital. Since interest on capital is an income, interest on capital is an expense for the business. So we have debited interest on capital account data to partners capital account or current account. Here we need to do the reverse. Okay, and we need to do the reverse. What in that partners capital account data to interest on drawings account. Then we need to transfer this interest on drawings to the profit and loss account. Here in this partner capital account, it is called profit and loss appropriation account. So there in the adjusting entry we have credited. Here we need to debit. Okay, interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. That we will do later. First, calculate interest on drawings. So first we will write interest on drawings or calculation of interest on drawings. Illustration 11. Calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings. You have to write fully. Okay, amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, what is the amount of drawings? In the book it is given. He withdrew 20,000 on 1st April. So no problem from the beginning. No. 1st April, the year ends, that is what we should see. When the accounting year ends, 31st December 2018. So he is not withdrawing from the beginning. Okay, so we need to calculate the period. Then rate 10 by 100. Period, now we need to calculate 1st April. So we need to include April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 9 months by 12. Calculate 1, 2, 1, 2. Then here 3 threes, here 4 threes are 12. Then again 4. Here 4 5s are 20, remaining 2 0. So 5 into 3, 15. 2 0. Okay, so 1,500 rupees. Okay, then we need to write the journal entries. What is the question? Past journal entries. So journal entries. You have to draw a line. Okay, with the scale and pencil. Particulars. LF, debit, credit, rupees. Okay, I have told you, since this one is an income for the business, that must be credited, and what should be debited? Partner's capital account or current account. For that purpose only, the last sentence they have given fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital method only capital accounts are prepared. So, partner's capital account. Here, who is the partner? Valen. So, Valen's capital account debtor to interest on drawings account. When you read the problem, you must read the question. Question means what is asked, calculate. Okay, till the end you have to read properly. Okay, I will show that one. See, calculate interest on drawings on 31st December. Date also you must be very careful. When he has withdrawn 1st April. So, it is very useful to calculate the number of month. And see, past journal entries. So, two things we need to do. One is interest on drawings, another one journal entries. This method they will ask for 3 marks question. Okay. Maybe 1 mark for the calculation, then 2 marks for the journal entries. In any way they may ask you. Okay. Usually they may ask for 3 marks. So if you do this problems correctly, full mark you will get within short time. You can complete. So accountancy you can score more marks. Okay, because even in 2 marks they will ask for 3 or 4 problems. Okay, no need to study all the question answers. Sit and read. But one word is very very important. All the one word and the book you have to read correctly. Okay, daily you have to read the full book. They may ask from anywhere. Because one word there is no choice. Okay. Other 2 mark and there also compulsory question is available. So you should be very careful. Concentrate more on one word and all the problems. Sometimes they may ask one small problem for the one word also. You have to do and select the right answer. Okay. So you must know what is this one, where is that, how to calculate interest on capital, because under this calculation of interest on drawings itself, three methods are given: direct method, product method, and average period method. So you may not confuse with these methods. Okay, they may not, sometimes they will ask, sometimes they will not ask. That time you may not confuse on which method we need to adopt. Okay, here it is simply that amount of drawings given, then rate given. So that period we need to calculate. That's all. Okay, then we will write the narration. Interest on drawings charged. Interest on drawings charged. Okay, amount 1500. Okay, then the transfer entry. For the test or for the exam, in the notebook itself, you do not need to draw line, because you are doing in the accountancy notebook, isn't it? Only here I should draw line. Okay, you do not need to draw line since you do in the accountancy notebook. Then particulars, LF, debit, credit, rupees. Okay, now interest on drawings credited, we should debit. So interest on drawings account debtor, to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Then interest on drawings closed. Interest on drawings closed. Okay, the same amount. Okay, that's all. See, only this much, 3 marks you will get. But you must be very careful in calculating the number of months and this calculation, dividing, simplifying, you must be very careful. Now we will see the next illustration. Okay, illustration 12. Arun is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows: March 1, 6,000, June 1st, 4,000, September 1st, 5,000, December 1st, 2,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Here, there they have given only one date. Here they have given many dates. So no need to worry about this one. In the same way we need to do, and last we need to add all the interest on drawings. Okay, that's all. Very simple. Only what is asked you have to see. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. No need to prepare the journal entries. Okay, so we will see. Question number 12. Then interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, on March 1. Okay, what is formula we can write? Okay, here formula: amount of drawings into rate by 100 you can write, or rate or period of interest, period by 12. Okay, here for March, what is the amount he has withdrawn? 6,000 into rate, same rate, isn't it? 12 by 100 into period we need to calculate. March 1, the account ends 31st December. So we should include March. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 10 months for 12. So this 12, isn't it? Here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. So how much we are getting? 600. So you better you write the rupees here. Okay, then which date? Next one, June 1. What is the amount? 4,000 into 12 by 100. Now again we need to calculate the month. Okay, June 1. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Here 7 months by 12. This 12, this 12. Okay, 1 0, 2 0, 1 1. Then 4 7s are 28. Isn't it? 28, then 0. Then rupees. That next one on September 1. That date he has withdrawn 5,000 into 12 by 100 into 12. Calculate the number of months. September, October, November, December. 4. 12, this 12, 1, 2, 5 4s are 20, 0, 200. Okay. Then last one, December 1. Amount 2,000. So December only 1 month, isn't it? 12. This 12, this 12, 1 2, 1 2. Then only 20 rupees. Write the amount correctly. Okay. The number of digits must be very clear. Now you add, that's all. 0, 8 plus 2, 10, balance 1, 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, again you write. Rupees. So what is this? Total interest on drawings, right? Total interest on drawings, that's all. Okay, you see, very easy calculation, but you have to calculate correctly the number of months, period. Okay, the period must be correctly calculated. March 1, don't take from April. March 1 means from first day. So we should include March. So March, April. From there you have to calculate. Understand? So if you are very little careful, then you can do and get the full marks. Okay. Now we will read the next illustration. Because why I am explaining each and every illustration means the same model only they have asked in the exercise, and it is very one plus point in our question paper is that they are asking only the same questions either from the illustration or from the exercise. Okay, that's why I am asking you to do all the exercises. I am explaining the illustration. I can do the exercise, but you will not, you may copy down the illustration. That's why I am not doing the exercises. You don't think that ma'am is doing all the illustration, what is done there. She is asking us to do the difficult one. It is not at all difficult. The same, only the amount is different. All the other things they have asked the same as per the illustration. Understand? So you are lucky to have this new pattern, this book, new syllabus book. Before that they have never given like this. Exercise may be another one, illustration may be another one. Here it is entirely different and very plus point for us. Okay. So you must do by seeing the illustration or listening to my teaching. You can do. Okay, just listen, then do by yourself. Don't look for the illustration. First you read, understand, then you do by yourself. Only then you can do for the exam. And again, one more thing you can do in the classwork notebook. You have one more notebook. You might have got at least 3 notebooks or 4 notebooks. One notebook you can have as your homework. You can do by yourself without seeing the illustration or the classwork notebook. Take one notebook, see only the question, don't see even the answer. hide the answer and do the thing and check. Okay, that is it will be helpful for you to do the exam very well. Okay, that time you may not have any doubt. For one or two time, if you do and see, it will be no, it will be in your mind. No one can erase from there. Okay, so it will be that kept in your mind. That's why I'm telling. So now we will see the illustration 30. Arul is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December, he drew as follows. March 1, 3,000, June, September, December. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. It is as same as the illustration 12. Okay, nothing is new. Same one they have given. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of drawings, rate of interest into period of interest. Then on March 1, 3,000 into 12 by 100. So from March, the same that period only, isn't it? March to December, 10 months, 300. We need to cut and write, isn't it? 12, 12, here 1, 0, here 1, 0, 300. Then June 1, 3,000 into 12 by 100 into 7 by 12. Okay, 12, 12, here 2, 0, 3, 7, 3s are 21. Like this, you must make the calculation easy. Okay, which one we need to cut? 12, 12. Like that you have to do. In your mind you can do if you know the tables. If you don't know, try to learn the tables. That is very important for 12th exam, 12th standard. That is what very important. Many calculations. Okay, you must be very careful also in doing the calculations, because many calculations only coming, otherwise it is very easy, isn't it? Not like first year. Here we have only 10 lessons and not much bigger like the 11th chapters, isn't it? All simple, easy, but only sorry, you have to do the calculations carefully. Then September 1, 4 months. December 1 month. Same month also we given same. Then interest on drawings. Then illustration 14 you see. Rajan is a partner who withdrew 30,000 during the year. Interest on drawings is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018. Here, one thing is differently given. In the first problem, they have given the date, isn't it? First, one date is given. So, but here what is different, during the year. During the year means we do not know in which date in 2018, isn't it? Whether in beginning or end or in the middle or any month, nothing is given. If they give during the year, we should take the average. Average of 1 year is how much? 6 months, isn't it? 6 by 12. That is what you have to remember. Understand? Don't forget, if you withdrew during the year, if it is given, this words given, we should take the period of interest 6 by 12 average. Understand? That is the only difference here. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018. Same formula you have to write. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings. They have left that we should write, okay, for each and every problem. Amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Here amount 30,000, rate 10 by 100 into period 6 by 12. We need to cut short, okay. 6, 1, 2, 2, 150, 150, then 1,500, okay. Okay, that note they have given. Date of drawings not given. Interest is calculated for an average period of 6 months. Okay, in tomorrow's class I will teach you product method and the other method. Today we will see the questions. What is your homework? That means in the classwork notebook what you have to do. Daily you read the one words. Okay, all the one words you will read. After completing the lesson only I will mark and give. Okay. Here, what is the journal entry to be passed for providing interest on capital? This you know. You mark this one and study. Okay. Then this one we will mark later. Profit and loss appropriation account. Then difference. All these three we have marked, isn't it? If you have not marked, you mark it. Because we have learned everything. Then this one we have marked. Here. This one we have not yet come across. Okay. That interest on drawings. The other method. Okay. Now exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything we have completed up to this 9. Up to 10 we have completed. Isn't it, students? So now 11. Money is a partner who withdrew 30,000 on 1st September. Interest on drawings at 6%. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December. Okay, show the journal entries by assuming that fluctuating capital method. The first one method, first illustration that we have seen. Okay, 11. 1st September to 31st December. September, October, November, December. 4 months we should calculate. Then 2 journal entries. Okay. Then 12. Santosh is your partner in a partnership firm. Interest is charged to 6% per annum. The same year only they have given. You see how easily they have given. Even if I asked this type of question, I would have changed even the date, year ending 31st March they would have asked, but the same date. The same problem also may be there for the exam also. Even the name also they may not change. Okay, that pattern only they are asking till now. So it is very easy, but you have to learn thoroughly. You may not be confused. Okay. Then during the year ended 31st December, he withdrew as follows. February, May, July, October. Calculate each day, then add everything. Do it neatly. The last amount, the interest on drawings may be the last one. Understand? In the same line you do. Writing and all particulars column. Calculation around the amount column. Then the answer will be the second amount column. Then last you write. Neatness is very important for accountancy. Okay. Then the same model here. 13th exercise. Kumar is your partner. Partnership firm. Interest on drawings 6%. December 31st. March, June, September, December. Same dates. Amount of interest you have to calculate. Okay. Then 14. Matthew is the partner. 20,000 he withdrew. Then interest on drawings 10%. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December. Then the 14th illustration. Okay. Then the next one we will see tomorrow. Okay, students, do this one very easy. You can complete even within half an hour. Okay, this 3 or 4 problems. Okay, students, keep update your accountancy notebook. Okay, thank you very much.